This is the Hello World Podcast. So Tom, how do you know different paths to entrepreneurship now that you're here or you're starting, for example, for some of our listeners who may be in months into or years into their company and entrepreneurship, now they're not just offering products and solutions, they're also managing people and managing finances. How do you know if it's right for you or you have to go back to where you were before?
So you mean if you're like in the middle of it, in the thick of it,
Yes.
and you have a team, how do you know? Well, I mean, in that case, that's a tough one. Like once you make the commitment, you talked about a moment ago, bringing on a team. You have to be very, very thoughtful and deliberate about bringing on a team. In many cases, it's not bringing on a team is the biggest mistake you can make as an entrepreneur. You can't do it all by yourself. You cannot. But the minute you bring a team on, you have to be absolutely committed, because these are real people with real lives that are depending on you and that are becoming loyal and that are doing everything they can for you. So when you say, how do you know if it's for you? Hopefully you've done that soul searching before you bring on a team, before you take on clients, hopefully. But at that point, it just takes a lot of grit. I will say, there's I think being an entrepreneur oftentimes gets glamorized. That's why they make it sound so glamorous. And a moment ago I said you have to make sure if it's right for you. The reason why I say that is because if you find yourself 6 months or a year down the road in the middle of a venture, especially if you borrowed money or if you hired somebody and you never loved it or you never believed in the cause, then you've done a great disservice to a lot of people. So you should really try to do all that soul searching. And I want to give everyone the space here. It is okay if entrepreneurship is not for you. It's okay. It's okay if you decide maybe you're better working for somebody, or maybe you need a little bit more time to learn. Maybe you want to be a number two in a company. Maybe you want to be at a startup. There's no shame in realizing that you need to spend time to find out if it's right for you. It's so we've turned all these entrepreneurs, these recognizable entrepreneurs like Zuckerberg or Elon Musk, we've turned them into rock stars, and it's so desirable to be a rock star. But there's a lot of people who never make it to the main stage. There's a lot of people who are stuck, playing guitar in coffee shops. Not everyone becomes a rock star, and you got to decide if that's for you.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.